We'll guide you through how to start an audio or video call on WhatsApp. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on WhatsApp. So as well as being able to go and message, you can also go and do calls. Whether you want to do an audio call, which is just a voice call, or a video call where you can go and see each other. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. Come into WhatsApp and come to the bottom bar. There, you want to go and find the option for calls. It's got the little phone icon, like so. Then what you can do is go and press the plus in the top right. You can choose who you want to go and call. You can go down the list and you can go and choose who you want to go and call. Then what you can do is once you've got them selected, whether it's one person or multiple, you can go and press the video camera to start a video call or the phone icon to go and do an audio call. We'll just do an audio call in this case, allow access to the microphone, and the call has now started. And of course, they can go and answer if they want. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.